Hello everyone. Today I will solve the question number 609. Find duplicate file in system. And the question statement is given a list paths of directory info including the directory path and all the files with contents in the directory. We need to return all the duplicate files in the file system in terms of their paths. So basically as you can see in this example, they will give us a directory path and we need to return the duplicates file. They will also give the content of each file and we need to return the duplicate files. Like in example 2, first from root there is a file A. Inside root there is a A, right? Inside root there is a A, and in that there is a 1.txt file, right? 1.txt file, and in that 1.txt the content is ABCD, right? In that A folder there is also 2.txt, and in that txt file the content is efgh. Now there is a folder called C in the root folder, and in that there is a 3.txt file and the content is abcd. And here inside the root C, inside the root there is a C, and inside C there is a D file here, and in that D file there is a 4.txt and content is efgh. So we need to return the duplicate file. Here efgh is 2 times, abcd is 2 times, right? So we need to return the location of abcd because it is the duplicate one, right? So here abcd root A, and inside that A 1.txt. This is for the first abcd, this one, and root inside C there it is 3.txt. It is for this one, right? Now for efgh inside root A and inside A 2.txt. It is for this efgh and this is for this efgh. So it is our output. We can return in any order, so it's not our concern. So it will be our output. So now how we can solve this question? First we need to know that what is get line. First I want to explain you what is get line. Get line string in C++. First understand this. This get line is a standard library function that is used to read a string or a line from input string. So let me explain you with this example. They will take input. First input will be object of iStream class and tells the function about the string from where to read the input from. So first input will be the object which will tell us from where to read the input. Second will store the value, output value, and third will is the delimitation character. It is a you can say character till that place our input will be read. Like let me explain you with this example. What we are doing is we are breaking this input in some parts and we are putting a character delimitation. Character is a space. Wherever is space we are breaking it, like here, like here, like here. So first we will iterate on this input. In this input we will break into 3 parts, right? This input will break into 3 parts. First will be the name, that is root, because it is the file location, and second one is 1.txt and the content. Third one is 2.txt, that is content. We will make an unordered map of string and vector of string, and we will store the address of each content, like abcd, the address of abcd, efgh, the address of efgh, right? Like here, like this. if the address will be more than 1, we will return it in our answer. If it is less than 1, we will not return. Like here EFGH is 2 times, ABCD is 2 times, so we will return all this in our input, right? So we will get our answer. So we will iterate on these inputs and we will store the location of each content. So for this we need to break this input. First will be the name root, because it will be in every directory location. After that we can say it is root. First we will find the root, then slash, then it will be the file name, you can say file name, f name. So abcd will store this. It is efgh will also store this. Root will be efgh root plus slash plus file name, like 3.txt or 4.txt, like this. Root will be this one, this will be the 3.txt will be the file name, slash for this one. So how we can solve this question? So I have explained you what getLine do is, it breaks our input into small pieces according to our need. So first we will make an ordered map. It is our answer where we will put we will store our answers. For auto paths, what is string? For this getLine we need stream, so we are changing our string into stream. You can read about string on internet. So it is file location here. So first time when we will run this code, it will store the first location, that is root slash a, because it is root, so it will store in file location. So file location is root here, you can call root also, because it will be everywhere file location plus slash plus the file name. So s dot find from the 0 till this size of in the substr we give two input. First one is the initial position and second one is the size. So for storing this we need to give first location, that is 0 from here, the size of this input, so till this place. So it will store the function name, not content, that is abcd or efgh. For this first we will give the uh, location of the initial position, that will be after this slash, after this parenthesis, so +1, and after that we need to give the size of that content. So here this minus this, if it is 10 it is 6, so 10 minus 6 will be 4. So we are doing this for the location of the content, for the size of the content. And we are storing the content like this, abcd, the function name, the location. If the location is more than 1, we are returning into answer. Now we can run this code. It is exactly the same code. Thank you for listening me.